Hello everybody, it is me, David Dean, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can find items to sell via retail arbitrage. Let's get into it. So we see here, I have a Patreon. I'll put it in the link in the description. Also, it's free, so don't worry about having to pay for this. There's a reseller tool. It's a work in progress. We're going to click on it. It's going to take you to a Google spreadsheet. I think they're sheets. And then down here, you can see useful tools, items, flip list, item retail, and affiliate disclosure. Acorns, Rakuten, and Upside. They're all good links. Upside is something you can use to get cheap gas. Acorns is basically you invest some of the cash back that you spend, and it gives you like a higher chance to make more. It gives you a higher chance to make more money. And then Rakuten is the same, but you cannot use them together. And I would suggest Acorns. So we're going to go to useful tools. These are cross-listing applications, and then we have inventory and sales tracking applications. Flipwise is okay, but I think honestly I would just use my reseller Genie. I'm going to edit that later on. And then there's an eBay auction sniping tool, which you get a free trial if you click on that link. So we see here in the auctions item flip list, there's estate sales. I would use CT bids, and then local picking up shipping options, estate sales, shop goodwill, high bid, and whatnot. So whatnot is also it's live bidding. It takes a while to get some inventory, but it's pretty worth it. And then we see here that we got some profitable eBay searches, which this list is going to be updated way more in the future. And then we go to where you pretty much are looking for, if you came to and clicked on this video. We see here that we have Bell's Clearance Filtered, Best Buy, Nordstrom Rack, Bath and Body Works, and Macy's. So we're going to click on Bell's here first and see if we can find something that's actually worth buying. So we're going to sort by lowest to high. That's what I like to do, because some items that are really cheap can be like good items, surprisingly. So we have some Madden shoes, Vince Camuto shirts, Eddie Bauer beanies. Nothing that really stands out like to be super profitable. But I did look at this earlier, so I already know that there is a couple things like. But what you see here, we have some Clarks, 1649 is pretty good. And then men's Buckeyes loafers. Let's see, Ariat. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cheap. Let's see how much these are on eBay. $20. I mean, I know that sounds like a lot, but for Ariat boots, it's not. I wish I could look for eBay listings. Usually they come up, just I cannot find them. So we're going to pretty much look these up on eBay. So let's see. Try to find. So what do they look like? They look like this. Okay. Yeah, they're right here. $87. I guess that's just the last one, but it does have 3 watchers, which is uh, pretty good, to be honest. I'm not gonna buy those because I've already bought like $400 worth of inventory this month. I don't need to buy more. But this is something that I would definitely buy. And I would get like size 9 and 8.5, because that's already pushing it kind of low. Yeah. So let's say Best Buy. Let's look at Best Buy. All right. So we see the Hot Wheels isn't really worth it, to be honest. So we're gonna look for something else. You know what? Actually, yeah. Let's just do it a little bit high. Wow. Legos, $2. That's rare. So much this is. 5 bidding on it. Pack of 4 sold for $12.99. Okay, so one sold for 10. But it was free delivery, so he or she or they or whatever, they are sold enough, but it's just like, if it's how much? $2.49. This is like something that you probably have to pull out the calculator to see if it's kind of worth it. $8.19. That's really not worth it, to be honest. Maybe slightly worth it, I guess. You're making about like $1.50. But for an item that only costs $2, it's not too bad. That's something I would buy, I guess. Maybe. Okay, let's see. Let's look Nordstrom. I like Nordstrom. They have a lot of good shoes. See here, there's literally only one that's worth buying. I'm gonna look it up on eBay. Nordstrom, you kind of don't get shoes less than like $20. I don't know why I keep looking at the wrong camera. You don't, yeah. But $39 on eBay. So not really. I mean, it's like $18 profit. But you also got to take into account fees. All right. So I'm gonna look through all these. I think I'm gonna let you guys look through it all. I just wanted to show you guys what you can buy and how to like start doing retail arbitrage without actually doing all the work yourself. I know when I first started doing it, it took me like 3 weeks to find deals. I also suggest using Google. The Google, it's like a shopping feature, the Google shopping feature. If you look up sales and stuff and use those filters really well, you can find some good stuff too. So that might be on my next video. And if you guys want to see that, how to use Google shopping features to find some inventory to resell, then I can definitely do that. So this has been me, David D. Have a good one.